Today, we'll explore how to view the block list on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to access and manage your blocked accounts. Start by navigating to the side menu on Twitter and click on More. This will expand the menu and provide you with additional options. Next, click on Settings and Privacy from the expanded menu. This will take you to the Settings section where you can customize your Twitter experience. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on Privacy and Safety. This section allows you to control various privacy and safety settings on your Twitter account. Under the Safety settings, find and click on Blocked Accounts. This will display a list of all the accounts that you have blocked on Twitter. To view the complete list of blocked accounts, click on All at the top of your block list. This will show you a comprehensive view of the accounts you have blocked and give you the option to manage them as needed. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your block list on Twitter using your PC. Managing your blocked accounts ensures a safer and more pleasant experience on the platform.